I'm gonna go ahead and leave this room in a few minutes to go ahead and show you the rest of the hotel. That way you guys get a better idea of what it looks like inside and what to expect.
Are you ready to go to the park?
Alright guys, I am here at Selah Pods, which is in Metro Manila. I rented this as my second apartment slash hotel. So pretty much when you walk in, to the right you have a shower and a toilet right there, which has a bidet. I guess every spot in the Philippines has a bidet. I guess that's how they clean themselves. I've used a bidet here and it's pretty satisfying. They have this head, which is detachable, and then you can also use this up here. I actually like using this one. It actually adjusts. But they have the sink outside of where you shower. Little mini chiller, not an actual refrigerator. I am not a refrigerator. I like to chill because I'm a chiller. They also have a hairdryer on the wall. They only have one outlet and they have two USBs, but they're 5 volts, so it's a really slow charging process. I was trying to charge my battery here on the Sony A6300, but it took like hours just to get it to 80%. That's the little table that is now my editing table. They have a safe in here, but I don't have a combination, and it's movable, it's open, and I don't plan on ever using it. It is cool that they have safes in the room, but since it's not bolted down, there's really no reason to put anything in it and lock it. Plus, I don't have any valuables other than my money, and I keep that on me at all times. But I just want to go over the rest of the room. Here we have a TV, and you can see it is a little messed up. So that's the bed. I actually got a single room. I wanted to be by myself and have my own space. I actually don't have... Oh, I do have a window. But can I see out of it? Nope, can't. You got this big bed. And one thing about here is that there's no cockroaches. In Azure, the first hotel that I got, the rental was just filled with roaches.
We just saw one rolling around. There he is. Another one right there. Yeah, there he is.
He's pissed.
I really can't do this, yo. I'm gonna start doing that, tossing them away. And right there is another one.
So far, I haven't seen any cockroaches, which is awesome. I did wake up after having a nap with sort of like a bug bite, but I'm not sure what it was. It could have been just a spider. I've been here almost 24 hours. Tomorrow I check out and I go to Bohol. So far, so good. Here, on the other hand, it's way better. This place is amazing. It has 2 pools. One big pool, one small pool, and it has a jacuzzi at the top of the hotel. That's where they have bands, that's where they have the buffet.
Music night buffet every Friday and Saturday night starts at $4.99.
That's where they have the complimentary breakfast and chairs to be able to look on the outside. I'll show you guys in a few minutes. Let's talk about the food here. The food is actually really good. You can go ahead and scan this QR code when you're here, and it brings up their menu. The prices aren't that bad. I paid 150 pesos for the buffet breakfast. I did that because the complimentary I feel like wasn't gonna be enough for me. Then I took a nap, like I said, and now it's 12 o'clock. I'm just trying to charge my phone.
1 hour later.
Alright, I'm on the 10th floor, so I'm gonna go upstairs real quick where they actually have the breakfast and the lunch. And then you see these hanging pods. There's a couple here, but you can't go in there actually, which is pretty neat. How are you? Morning. It's raining right now. This is that big pool, and then you got another pool, and then you got a jacuzzi over there. I haven't gone swimming, so I really don't know what to expect. But you have a really nice view out here. They do have a breakfast bar. They call up here the Sky Bar. But you got all the high-rise buildings. And over here, and then further back, I believe that's BGC. They're way back there. It's about a 2-hour walk supposedly. You do got views, which is awesome. You got pools and you got the jacuzzi. And then in here is where they do their breakfast, where you can sit in there if you want. And then you have this boardwalk walkway all the way around. I just haven't gone up there, so I'm gonna do that right now. But you can walk all the way around. It's taped off, but glass walkway, which is pretty sketchy. Little spiral staircase, and then over here we're on the 11th floor right now, and I'm gonna bring you downstairs and I'm gonna show you the workout room. But I really like this pool because the water level, oh, it's nice and warm now too, but the water level is right on the rim, so it just drips off. This is the place where they have the buffet. They're cleaning up right now. That is on the top floor in case you guys, you know, want to do breakfast, you want to go swimming, you want to sit in the jacuzzi. And then they have these cool things which you can go ahead and swing and hang out, which I haven't done yet. Pretty cool. I'd like to have one of these at my house. We just came down from up there and my room's over here. I'm actually going to take the stairs. And then on the 8th floor you have the gym. Out here you have 2 workout benches, then you have the bike and whatever treadmill thingy this is. And then down there's a bunch of little small stores. Ahead of me, you guys can see right here is the spa. They do have free complimentary 10-minute massage. They gave me 2 10-minute back or hand massage tickets. But it's pretty much down there. I'm not gonna go down there. I'm just gonna go downstairs to the lobby. My buddy is about to pick me up, but I wanted to give you guys a tour, and that's the lobby down there. I really like this place compared to Azure. Azure was alright, but I feel like it's overrated. And the price difference isn't that drastic, so I would definitely reserve a room for a couple nights, you know, at least do what I do, hopping around from hotel to hotel. When I'm in Bohol, the next island that I go to, I am gonna be staying at a hostel. And this is where I will be staying for the next 5 days. Last night, I rented a hotel room with a jacuzzi, so I could go ahead and have my own jacuzzi in my room, which I think that's gonna be pretty dope. So we're almost at the lobby. That's outside, you guys, the main entrance. And then you got the lobby in here where you go ahead and check in. It's raining right now because it's the rainy season. This is pretty much what the street looks like. So that's the building, which you guys can see. And then you got the entrance, you got an eatery over here maybe. But you can come in here and sit and eat. And then I believe you can check in here too. I want to let you guys know here, this place actually requires a 1,000 peso deposit, but it's fully refundable compared to Azure where it's non-refundable. They don't charge you extra fee, let's just say, like Azure did. If you plan to stay for 5 days at Azure, they're gonna charge you 5,000 pesos. That's why I'm telling you guys, don't book with Azure. We just came from upstairs. You have a staircase over here, and then you have the elevator stuff here. And then around the corner you have another staircase. So you have 2 staircases you can come up from, or you could just take the elevator. We're gonna go back upstairs. That's it, you guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know if you've ever stayed here, you plan on staying here. First time visiting Manila, because it is my first time. Figured I'd go ahead and give you a walk around here. That way you can get a better idea. So we're on the 8th floor. Oh yeah, they have this area where you get a free complimentary snack thing. Please claim your mystery gift on the 8th floor. And if you want to get some, you know, candy or, you know, ice cream. I didn't really pay attention over there. They give you like a free coupon voucher, but it was just a box. You put your hand in and you grab some crackers. Nothing much. Morning. So I'm gonna see where he's at. Hopefully you guys like the video. Subscribe and Yeah.